Time for the top 10. I'm kicking it off right now with McDonald's, a favorite. Shares falling nearly 3%, so a favorite of mine, but not a favorite for the market as the fast food retailer reports second quarter profit and revenue both trailed the analyst estimates. CEO Don Thompson warns that economic weakness would hurt results for the remainder of the year.
Yeah, and Thompson also talking about the lack of pricing ability to raise prices, particularly here in the U.S.
Sign of the times.
Yes, indeed. At number 9, Federal-Mogul, the auto parts maker controlled by investor Carl Icahn, is jumping 29%, almost 30% after reporting a return to profit in the second quarter. Federal-Mogul also said it's closing factories and moving work to lower-cost locations like Mexico, China, and Poland by 2015.
How about number 8, my alma mater, UBS? Shares are up 3% after the Swiss bank reported an increase in second quarter profits that beat analyst estimates. UBS also saying it's close to a financial crisis settlement over U.S. mortgage-backed bonds, guys.
And Texas Instruments up a fraction ahead of its second quarter results. Those are coming out right after the bell. Analyst survey by Bloomberg estimate a profit of 41 cents a share on revenues of $3.1 billion. Stay tuned. Again, the numbers coming out right after the bell. We will be on that.
And number 6 is Hasbro. Those shares are up about 3% as the toy maker shows signs that its games business just may thrive in an iPad world. Sales of games like Monopoly rose 19% in the second quarter. Love that. Analog. It's the unit's third straight sales gain and reverses a 7.6% drop in the same period a year earlier.
How about more fun and games with number 5? It's Six Flags, down about 1.5%. The amusement park operator announcing third quarter earnings, 48 cents a share, short of Wall Street's analyst estimates. Six Flags earnings come as the company investigates a fatal accident on a roller coaster at one of its Texas theme parks, guys. And I mean, Adam, you know this company intimately, don't you?
I have been in touch with the company, and they run such a tight operation security-wise. It's almost unfathomable that this could happen. There are reports that the safety device was fully in place, that it locked, and yet somehow this woman tragically came out of the roller coaster. So they are investigating every possible scenario. CEO Jim Reed Anderson in crisis mode on the case in Texas. Stay tuned. Six Flags is as upset by this as everyone, as you can imagine. All right, Halliburton down nearly 2%, even though the world's largest provider of fracking services beat earnings estimates. Halliburton says demand outside the U.S. boosted sales in the second quarter. The company is also expanding its share buyback plan to $5 billion.
Number 3, Google and Himax. Both stocks are up. One of them is up heck of a lot. The other one, Himax, up 31% after Google announced that it will acquire a 6.3% interest in the microchip maker and its display unit in particular. Himax makes chips used in Google Glass. That, of course, is the eyeglass-enabled device that can shoot photos and video and access the internet. So Google investing in its supply chain.
What a freaky kind of thing. I don't know.
I love it.
I know, it's great.
Would you wear those, John? Would you wear those?
I would wear them. I would try to wear them, guys. But anyway, number 2 is Netflix, down about 1%. The company's going to update investors on how well its expansion into original programming is working out with the release of its second quarter earnings. Now, keep it here for full coverage of those results just moments away.
Moments away, as is the closing bell. In fact, there it is, which brings us to number 1, Yahoo, down 4% as Dan Loeb says goodbye. The billionaire activist investor successfully ousted former CEO Scott Thompson, but he is now leaving the board and selling about 2/3 of his position. Loeb's departure caps an almost 2-year effort to revamp the web portal.